All right, my middle schoolers and high schoolers, here's the drawing you guys were all waiting for. You'll see over here on the side, you got your name in the drawing for these gift cards for every course that you completed by December 18th. So you can see those of you that finished all of them by Friday, you've got 4 chances on this. So I'm going to spin this 5 times. You can win more than once. Let's see what winners we have for today. All right, Khalil, you just won a Target gift card. Way to go. Number 2. You won another one, Khalil. Good job, my man. Number 3. Way to go, Miss Lakin. Number 4. Lakin again. Way to go, girl. Number 5. Jalen, way to go, girl. And just for fun, we're going to do one more. Cayman, way to go. All right, guys. I will get these gift cards out to you here in the next couple of days. Hopefully, it might be after Christmas. Sorry, but congratulations to everybody that won. We'll continue doing these in the second semester. Please read a book, do something educational if you're taking the whole 2 weeks off if you finished all of your courses. If you haven't finished all your courses, please get those done so we can start ready to go on January 4th. Have a good break, guys.